Anna, let me ask you something. Have you ever met someone new and you wanted to speak English, but fear stopped you? Your heart was fast, your words were gone?
Yes, Jack. That moment is very real. You know English, but fear stands in front of you.
If this sounds like you, stay with us. Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Without Fear podcast. My name is Jack. I'm really happy you're here today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anna, and today's topic is very special.
We're talking about something many people feel. My first conversation in English.
This is not classroom English. This is real life.
Today, we will talk slowly. We will share real feelings, real fear, and real confidence.
This podcast is for beginners, for shy speakers, for people who want to speak English without fear.
Anna, let's start from the beginning. Before your first English conversation, how did you feel inside?
Honestly, Jack, I felt nervous all the time. Even before someone spoke to me, my mind was already scared.
What kind of thoughts came to your mind?
I thought, what if I say something wrong? What if my English sounds bad? What if they don't understand me?
Yes, that fear lives in many people.
Exactly. Fear comes before words.
Listener, pause here for a second. Have you felt this before?
Now imagine this. You are outside, maybe at a shop, maybe at work.
Yes, for me, it was at a small cafe.
A woman stood next to me. She smiled. Then she spoke English.
That first second is scary.
Very scary. My heart was beating fast. My hands felt cold.
What did she say?
She said, "Is this seat free?"
And what did you say?
I stayed quiet for 1 second. Then I smiled and I said, "Yes, it is free."
Simple, clear.
Yes, not perfect, but real.
Here's the trick. Simple English works best.
Always.
Listener, repeat this sentence out loud. Yes, it is free. After you spoke that sentence, what changed?
Something small changed inside me. Fear became a little less.
That small change is powerful.
Yes, I realized something important.
What did you realize?
The first sentence is the hardest.
That's true. Did the conversation stop there?
No, she continued talking.
What did she say?
She asked, "Do you come here often?"
That's a common question.
Yes, I didn't know a big answer, so I kept it simple.
What did you say?
I said, "Yes, sometimes."
Perfect. Let's do a slow role play now. Listener, listen carefully.
Okay, I will be the stranger.
And I will answer.
Hi, do you like this place?
Yes, it is nice and quiet.
Me too. I like it.
Listener, repeat Jack's sentence. It is nice and quiet. Did you make any mistake during that talk?
Yes, I said, "I am come here yesterday."
And what happened?
Nothing bad. She still understood me.
That's a big lesson.
Yes, people understand meaning, not perfect grammar.
Listener, repeat slowly. Mistakes are okay. After the conversation ended, how did you feel?
I felt proud, calm, happy.
That feeling stays with you.
Yes, it gave me confidence for next time.
Confidence comes after speaking.
Not before.
What if someone speaks fast?
That's normal. You can say simple things.
Like what?
Sorry, can you say it again? Or please speak slowly.
Very useful sentences.
Listener, say this out loud. Can you say it again, please?
Many people think English must be perfect.
But real-life English is simple.
It is about connection, not perfection.
English without fear means this.
Speak first, fix later.
Pause the podcast now.
Say one English sentence out loud.
Any sentence.
Good. That is practice.
Let's recap slowly.
Fear is normal.
First sentence is the hardest.
Simple English works.
Mistakes are okay.
Confidence grows step by step. If this episode helped you, please like this video.
Comment below. Tell us about your first conversation.
Subscribe to English Without Fear podcast.
We are learning together.
one sentence at a time.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep speaking without fear.